Hello, my name is Vincent Nemeimana. I'm the co-founder and CEO at Miklah, miklalife.com. According to UNESCO, for every 2 weeks, a local language is lost, and along with it, their cultures and heritage and the people that belong to those cultures are lost forever. Additionally, across Uganda, Africa, and the world, there are still instances, patches of cultural intolerance, hate, violence, xenophobia, tribalism. Those things are now common among us across the world. We are solving that amicably in the 21st century. Welcome to Culture Unit, cultureunity.com, a culture-focused learning, social, and opportunity-sharing platform that is solving two cultural problems at a go. Problem number one, the loss of local languages and local cultures. In Uganda alone, according to the 2024 population census, we have more than 20 cultures that have less than 50,000 members. Whenever members of a certain culture are reducing, that culture is at a risk of getting extinct. Number two, cultural intolerance, hate, and violence among cultures. How does Culture Unity work? When you go to cultureunity.com, you will simply select and pick your local culture. Then, the platform allows you to meet your fellow tribesmen and you develop your local content, your local culture together, in your local language, your food, your attire, your way of life, the way you do stuff. And then there is an opportunity for whatever every local culture is developing to spill over and mix up with the rest of local cultures. With the help of AI, we can even be able to translate your local language into the common language, for example, English, and then enable each culture to understand what's going on with any other local cultures. Thus, bridging the gap, educating each other about each other's culture, enabling cultural diversity, and allowing us to celebrate culture together. Our slogan is a world of cultures. Do you think it will work? The answer is yes, because we have piloted it and it has worked. Ladies and gentlemen, we took one of the cultures in Uganda, it's called the Bafumbira culture, and developed a platform that is exactly similar to the one we plan to develop for cultureunity.com, and assimilated the project. It worked. Within 3 months only, we've got more than 60,000 followers on TikTok. We've made more than 50 videos on culture, heritage, history, and everything about Bafumbira. We have written more than 20 blog articles. We have massive following on different social media platforms. This is what we are going to replicate across Ugandan cultures. And if it grows, we can even go beyond Uganda and look at Kenya, Rwanda, Nigeria, all cultures. The platform is made in a way that the expansion is possible. This is what we are doing, and we know it's going to work. That's it. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.